So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Everything. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own video on YouTube. So let's get started. So guys, a lot of people have started making YouTube channels. So the number one step to make your video is to have a stand or a tripod. Now stand and tripods are very expensive, so I'm gonna show you how to make your own stand. Take a thin book and place it over the stack. Now place more books above it. Now take your phone and place it over the. Now make sure that the lens of the camera should stick out of the thin book. Now as you see, you have your own DIY stand. You can record videos with it. And even use it for drawing. So the next thing you need to have is a video capturing app. So I'm going to show you the video capturing app. So here we have our phone. Okay. Now search open camera. Now as you have seen, I have already downloaded it. So now you need to open it. And start recording in it. Now you can pause and play in it. Now after you have done, you need to close it. So that's it. So now you can make your own videos and post it on YouTube. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the notification bell and we'll see you next time.